Here we divide 603 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 12 is 60. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down these 3 and 5 times 0 mean 0. On subtracting we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 603 divided by 5 is 120 decimal 6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.